So, hi guys. Today we're going to be playing with slime.
Bum bum bum. Shayla's corner.
But Bobby's
So,
Bobby, shut up. But so wait.
today we're going to be playing with this. It's very, very, very hard. But, yeah, can you see my nose?
But this is
But yeah, this slime is not that good. It's very stretchy though.
Look, let me shut it down.
Y'all is boring. How y'all gonna get views on that?
But you need to shut up.
I wish you would tell me to shut up on my time.
So,
You're lucky you're on camera.
I'm a pussy, a bitch Raj. So, this is not Mr. Raj.
And then you introduce your
And
guest.
here's how we
This is how we do it.
it. This is how we do it.
This is how I do it. But
So, we do
this is how you do shoot like so.
Samira.
Good. Like soup.